Okay, so hello guys. Today we have doing a question, and question is check the given number Armstrong or not. So first we understand what the Armstrong number. Like we have to given a any number like 153 is the Armstrong number. How? First we calculate the length. Length is like 1, 2, and 3. 1 is 1 and 5 is 2, and then 3 is 3. That means 3 is the length. Like you have to correct like 1 and then 5 and then 3. So 1 raised to power length of these number, then 5 raised to power length of this number, and 3 raised to power length of this number. So like 1 and 1 raised to power length is 3, and then plus 5 raised to power 3 and plus 3 raised to power 3. So if and we add this number, digit number. If comes 153, that means this is the Armstrong number. So how we think the logic and do the question. So basically we have to take the first input and equal to integer. We take just input, not integer. Okay, and what we do here, we have to calculate the length. So we take L is equal to variable and length of n. So here we calculate the length. Now we have to use the one loop because we have traversed the each character of this number. So we use here for loop for I in n. Okay, so basically I goes to 1, then 5, and then 3. So here we take the input. That means 1 is the character, but we have to need a number. So we here change here I is equal to integer of I. So this is the integer number. Now we have to doing a power. So sum, because we need to sum of the number. So basically here I'm taking sum is equal to 0 in initial, and now sum is equal to sum plus. Now we have to do I raised to power I is the 1, then 5, then 3 raised to power what? Length. So length we are taking the LE. Okay, yeah. So here we calculate the number after the calculation. Now we have to check if this number Armstrong or not. So if sum is equal to n, if this number is comes to same number of given number, that means that's the Armstrong number, else not. But you can see here is the n is the character string, and sum is the integer, because we are converting here I to integer. So basically here we take n is equal to integer of I. Okay, now both are integer. Now we are compare both them. Okay, so if sum is equal to n, print this is a Armstrong number, else print this is not a Armstrong number. Okay, now we have to take the input 153, or you can take any number which is the 150 Armstrong number, like 370, 371, 491. So we have to check it. Okay, so basically we are doing here a mistake. Like here we take the integer of n. Okay, so now we run this. Okay, so as you can see that this is the Armstrong number. Okay, so thank you.